Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Face ID for App Store purchases, device setup step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and make sure you are on the home screen. Open the Settings app by tapping the gray gear icon. Scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode to access Face ID settings. Check that Face ID is already set up, and if not, tap Setup Face ID and follow the on-screen instructions. Hold your iPhone in portrait mode and position your face inside the frame. Move your head slowly in a circle until the first scan completes. Tap Continue and repeat the head movement to finish the second scan. Tap Done to save your Face ID scan. Back on the Face ID and passcode screen, find the section called Use Face ID for. Turn on iTunes and App Store by tapping the toggle switch. If you see a message asking for your Apple ID password, type it and confirm. Now go back to the main settings screen. Scroll up and tap your Apple ID name at the top of settings. Tap Media and Purchases to open purchase settings. Tap Password settings if this option is available on your device. Under Purchases and In-App Purchases, select the setting you prefer for password requirements. Choose Always Require Password if you want the strongest security alongside Face ID. If asked, enter your Apple ID password to confirm the change. Return to the home screen and open the App Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the App Store. Verify you are signed in with the correct Apple ID for purchases. Find a free app and tap Get to test the Face ID prompt. Double-click the side button when the Face ID purchase screen appears. Look at the screen and wait for Face ID to authenticate. Confirm that the download starts without asking for your Apple ID password. If Face ID fails, clean the TrueDepth camera area and try again in good lighting. If it still does not work, restart your iPhone and repeat the test in the App Store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.